Wait, you're telling me that you have friends and you're homeschooled? How is that possible? No, you can't have any friends because you're homeschooled. Alright, you meant your parents were your friends. How sweet! You can't have friends and be homeschooled, or can you? In this video, we're going to talk about how homeschoolers make friends. I feel like I'm a pretty good authority on this. I was homeschooled and I had lots of friends, believe it or not. Most of my friends came from my church, some of which were homeschoolers and some of which were not. And then I also had a homeschooling group, many of which went to the church I also went to. So we got to see them multiple times during the week. But there are lots of ways homeschoolers can make friends. The first way is through a homeschooling group. Now this is probably the best way because you have a whole lot of other families who are looking for exactly what you're looking for and they're in the same situation you're in. They also have homeschooled children who need to socialize, and socialization is a very good thing if you're homeschooled. Where do you find a homeschooling group? Well, you can find a lot of these on online forums or on Facebook. That's probably the best place to find a homeschooling group near you. Homeschoolers can also make friends in their sport groups. Every week your child will be going to training and the game, or perhaps just one, but they will be able to make friends with children their own age at these sports carnivals or these sports training sessions. And then there's your neighbours. Don't forget your neighbours. These are perhaps some elderly people or some children their own age and everything in between. These are great places where kids can socialise with people of different ages, and one of the things that makes homeschooling so wonderful is that they can socialise with people of different ages. What if your child is particularly interested in a drama group? Well, get them involved. Let them go down every week and do the drama, and they will make so many friends from doing that. Perhaps they're into singing lessons and they want to join a choir. Well, they can make friends through that too. If you're a Christian, your local church is a great place to make friends and also spur your children on in their faith. What about a volunteering organisation? This is a great place for homeschoolers to make friends as children learn how to love and serve others as well as socialise. And what says your homeschooler has to make new friends? Why not keep your old friends? And this is a great reason to stay in touch with the old school friends your child might have once had when they went to school. I hope you found this video really helpful. Please like, subscribe, comment for more. Bye bye.